Today, we're unlocking the secret to speaking English without thinking. Do you ever feel stuck when talking, translating every word in your head? If so, this is for you. We're going to master the 5-minute daily question routine. This simple habit, one of the most powerful we teach, is designed to train your brain to formulate questions and answers directly in English, building true fluency, one day at a time. This video is divided into 3 parts. First, we'll cover the basic theory of WH-words. Second, I'll give you the 5 focus categories for your daily questions. And finally, we will do a 10-minute real-time practice session together. Let's start. Part 1. The power of question, words, the WH words. Fluent English conversation starts with the ability to ask questions. You need to become comfortable with the foundation of all inquiries. The WH words. We focus on 5 main ones. Repeat these after me. What? Asking about a thing, an idea, or an action. Where? Asking about a place or location. When? Asking about time. Why? Asking about a reason. Who? Asking about a person. This daily routine is simple. You will formulate 5 questions, one using each of these 5 WH words. By doing this every day, you force your brain to switch instantly between the question word and the correct verb tense. This is the mechanism of fluency. Now, let's look at the 5 categories to focus your daily questions. Part 2. The 5 daily focus categories. To make this practice easy, focus your questions on things you already know, your own life. Focus. Category 1. The morning routine. This is about things you do when you first wake up. You will use the simple present tense here. Example WH questions you could ask yourself. What do I eat for breakfast? When do I leave the house? Where is my coffee mug? Category 2. People and communication. This category focuses on the people around you and simple interactions. You will often use who here. Example WH questions you could ask yourself. Who is my first meeting with today? What does my friend need? Who will I call later? Focus. Category 3. The environment and objects. Look around you. This trains the use of where and what is or what are. Example WH questions you could ask yourself. Where is my wallet? What color is the wall? Why is the window closed? Part 3. 10-minute real-time practice. In this section, I will give you the WH word and the focus category. Your job is to create a question out loud and then answer it. We will move quickly to encourage fast, spontaneous speaking. Ready? Let's begin our 10-minute daily challenge. Minute 1. The morning routine. WH word. What? Ask about a task you did. WH word. When? Ask about the time you woke up. WH word. Who? Ask about a person you saw or messaged this morning. WH word. Why? Ask about the reason for a morning decision like drinking coffee. WH word. Where? Ask about a place you went to first. Minute 2. People and communication. WH word. Who? Ask about the person next to you or a family member. WH word. What? Ask about something a friend told you recently. WH word. Why? Ask why you need to send an email today. WH word, when. Ask about a scheduled call or meeting. WH word, where. Ask about where someone is working today. Minute 3. The environment and objects. WH word, where. Ask about the location of your phone. WH word, what. Ask about the object you are holding right now. WH word, why. Ask why the curtains are open or closed. WH word, who. Ask who uses the television remote control. When. Ask when you last cleaned your room or office. Minute 4. The immediate past. WH word, what. Ask about the last thing you read. WH word, where. Ask about the last place you bought groceries. WH word, who. Ask who cooked your last meal. WH word, when. Ask when you last felt tired. WH word, why. Ask why you chose this video to watch today. Minute 5. Plans and future. WH word, when. Ask about a time you will relax. WH word, what. Ask about a task you must finish tomorrow. WH word, where. Ask about the place you plan to go this weekend. WH word, who. Ask who you will see at a social event. WH word, why. Ask the main reason for your most important goal this week. That was 5 minutes of focused speaking. You just formed 25 full questions and 25 answers directly in English. Well done. Part 4. Tips for success and call to action. To make this routine a permanent habit, keep these 3 simple tips in mind. Tip 1. The 5-minute rule. Do not try to make it perfect. Just keep it fast. If you struggle with a question, move to the next one quickly. Speed and consistency are more important than accuracy right now. Tip 2. Change the tense. As you improve, challenge yourself. If you are comfortable with the simple present, try to use the simple past for the same category. For example, change. What do I eat for breakfast? To, what did I eat for breakfast yesterday? Tip 3. Record yourself. Once a week, use your phone's voice recorder for your 5-minute session. Listen back. You will hear your pronunciation and instantly spot the questions that make you hesitate. This builds self-awareness and focuses your study. Conclusion. Remember what we learned today. Fluency is not about learning complex grammar. It's about making simple language automatic. The 5-minute daily question routine trains this automation. Don't just watch this video. Do it. Start today. Pick a time. Maybe when you drink your morning coffee or before you go to sleep. And dedicate 5 minutes to asking and answering your 5 questions. If you found this video helpful, Please hit the like button, subscribe for more daily fluency strategies, and let me know in the comments below. What will be your first question tomorrow? Thank you for practicing with me. See you next time.